How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. First of all, let's navigate and open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open settings and activity. Now scroll down and tap on hide story and live, and then select hide story and live from to open your friends list. Select all your followers to ensure no one can see your story. Once done, tap done to save the changes. Next, go back to your Instagram homepage and from the top left tap on your profile image. From your phone's gallery, choose the photo or video you want to add to your highlights and tap on the arrow icon to move next. From the bottom, tap on share, and next you need to tap on add to highlights. It will open your already existing highlights, but you can tap on new to create a new one. Enter the highlight name and tap on add. Once the highlight is created, tap on done. Now let's go to the profile page and swipe down to refresh the page. As you can see, the newly created highlight has been added. Now go back to the settings and activity, and in the hide and story live section, remove the hidden story restrictions so your future stories will be visible again. And that's it. This is how you can add highlights on Instagram without letting anyone to see your story. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.